Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Cassie, and on this channel we talk a lot of mom life, adulting, fashion, hair, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So without further ado, I want to tell you guys what we're going to be doing today. So as y'all can see, my hair is a hot ass mess. I mean, it's usually a hot ass mess and I usually don't care, but it's springtime. I feel alive, I feel well, I feel happy, and I want my hair to reflect that. Like, I'm tired of my hair just looking like this. I'm trying to do this whole month of no heat and I need a protective style. So I'm going to attempt some passion twists. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna put it in right here. Let's get to the real meat and bones of this video. This her. So first I gotta get all this out. I'm really dreading washing my hair. I hate washing my hair. I feel like I just washed it last week. Why do I need to wash it again? But whatever, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so hair is nice and washed. Now I'm going to take a piece, put some conditioner in it. I don't know, I guess I don't need heat protectant because I'm technically not using heat. So I'll just press this little cool button. All right, so the baby's up, so I need to hurry up. Even though this is not a hurry up type of style. So now what I'm gonna do is undo one of these and part. I'm doing the, what is it called? The damn, what method is this? The rubber band method. I don't know how I forgot that so quick. So I have my rubber bands right here and some conditioning gel. I've never used this stuff before. I don't even know how to do my edges, but we're gonna try it out and see if it works for us. So I'm just trying to part kind of straight, but like big, but not too big. Let's see. I think that's good. And just part it as straight as you can. Obviously, it's not going to be the best, but baby, can I have that? Oh, let me just back that. No fighting today. Alright, so put this off to the side. And what you want to do is put some styling gel all around the perimeter. My edges are really breaking, you guys. I really need to be better. I need to take care of my hair a lot better than I have been. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. And we just kind of part it. I don't know if this is too big. I might make this into 2 just because it might be too big. Maybe not. But anyway, then you take your brush. Once I figure out where I put it. Where I put the brush, Kay? Hold on. Alright. This actually smells really good. Take your brush, you brush it down all around. Leave a little bit of baby hairs out. I don't know if I can. Okay. Oh, I'm about to learn something new. You guys, I don't know how to do my baby hairs, but it says to do it, so I'm gonna learn something new today. And then you just tie it up. And you do this for your whole head. Man, I hope you guys were able to see all this. I don't think y'all did. Alright, I might need to do a whole nother part. Kelani, what are you going through? Saw this girl do this. Okay. So then what you do is you tie this up, but not too tight, but just like tight enough to where it won't go anywhere, you know? My baby hairs. Alright. This is good. Y'all, this is my first time ever doing this hairstyle, so bear with me. We're learning together, cuz. My first time doing any hairstyle, honestly. I don't really do this kind of stuff. But I've been wanting this twist for so long, and I really feel like $200 is just way too much for this. Like, how I see they're doing it, I'm like, why y'all charge an arm and a leg for this? What y'all think? Hold on. Little baby hair action. I don't even know how to do my baby hairs. Half the time I just don't do it. I feel like I need to redo that. We might redo it later. So yeah, basically you just brush the gel into your hair and then you tie it. Good night. You're not eating hair, girl. Take that out your mouth right now. Okay, so I'm back. It's actually like 2 hours later, I think. But now I'm gonna actually put the hair in. I just went and bought the hair, passion twist braid. And we're about to do this thing. Lord, I hope this turns out nice, because I really want this to be my new hairdo. I guess I untwist these and then you kind of separate, you know, like fluff the hair up, I think. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera. I'll show you guys once I figure out if this actually works how I wanted to. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. But what I'm doing basically is kind of trying to fluff the hair up a bit, so it's like, I don't know, more fluffy, more better, more thick. All right. And then after you do that, you take your crochet tool. Once I figure out where it's at. So you take this crochet tool, and I might need more hair than this, we'll see. So I'm gonna put some gel on the end of one of my things. I don't know what to call this stuff. This thing. One of my rubber band hairs. Yeah, I was still thinking. I hate that about myself. I be thinking about things way after it's done and over with. Okay, so put this like that. Close this. Okay, what you gotta do is you gotta put it. Oof, okay. Okay, what you gotta do, you gotta put it through. I think you can put it through any way, it doesn't matter. Okay, maybe not. Just kidding. Well, how do I put this thing through? I watched a bunch of tutorials and nobody told me how exactly to put this to where it works. All right, let's see. Maybe this. No. How do I put it? How do I make it go through, you guys? I might have to watch another video. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I started it. They're not perfect. This is my first time, but I feel like they're actually pretty nice considering. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So the hair actually comes like this, like one single piece. So what I do is I kind of unwind it and break it apart. As you can see, you can just kind of like unwind it until it goes into a longer piece. And then once it does that, it's gonna look like this. So then I just kind of break it apart, like fluff it up a bit, and then I put two of them together because I want them to be kind of chunky. And then I grab a chunk of my hair. I put gel, especially at the ends, and then all the way up, but focusing really on the ends. Okay. Brush it out a bit. Then I grab my crochet little thing, doohickey, and I put it through. Can y'all see that? Put it through. Then I put the hair there, and I pull it. And then one side of this goes, yeah, one side goes through here, through the loop. Okay, now I pull both sides until it's nice and tight, and then I separate my actual hair, and I just start twisting. And I twist all the way to the bottom, which this is actually a lot longer than I planned on it being, but it's pretty. It's just a lot longer, so it's a lot more time consuming. So I'm gonna be here for a while, but as you can see, this is what I do, and I'm about to do this to my whole head until I'm done. I mean, it's not as bad as I thought. Somebody on one of their videos was like it took them 3 hours. I don't think it's gonna take me. Hey you guys, so I'm back. Sorry about last night. My SD card ran out of room, but as you can tell, I am done with the locks, the twist, and this is how my hair looks. Hopefully you can see it. So yeah, I just wanted to make an outro because, you know, stuff happened. My SD card ran out of room, so I just went to Target. I bought a new one, and now I'm in Jacksonville going to the beach. So I guess I'll leave you guys here for now, but you guys will probably see the same outfit because I'm gonna start a new vlog of my day at the beach. So yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.